ॾिठा उस्ताद ॾिठा छा छाण ॾिठा छा छाण ॾिठा के कीअं हुआ के कलम सां केस कहर कया के कलम सां रोशन शहर कया के कलम सां सचो प्यार कयो के लोक में पाण खे ख़वार कयो जे पैगंबरी थियो थई त कर कलम सां मोहब्बत. In the name of Allah, who is the most kind and merciful, who is the King of the kings, who is the master of the masters, who is the master of the whole universe, and the whole universe under his power. Honorable respected teachers and my dear college fellows, first of all I will come all of you with Islamic greeting. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I tell you about some of your great teachers in the teaching. Dear friends, since my childhood, there are many teachers.
There are many teachers who are molded our nature. The teacher is a great person of the society. The impression of the teacher is a very deep and loving. The teacher is a great person of the society. Teacher is the backbone of our society. Just like backbone is the main part of the human body. Without backbone, man cannot be lived. So that without great teachers, society cannot be development. It is their own hands to be great or to destroy our future lands. Teaching without any doubts to be called the leading for the society development. Dear friends, there are three main factors for the development of the society. First one is heredity, second is social settlement, and third one is education. The term education carrying the great meaning in the life. A good teacher is a person who finds individually approach to every student. Dear friends, we concentrate. When God created the teachers, He gave us the special friends to understand His words. When God created the teachers, He gave us the special guiders to understand His words and to show us on a ways in which we grow, so we cannot decide it how to live, how to do what's right instead of wrong, so we can lead. Why God gave the teachers in His wisdom and grace was help to us and to learn to make our world a bitter and water place. The teacher's everlasting impression in the minds of his students. Teacher, touch the future. What a teacher writes on blackboard or white cannot be erased. Teacher is a he who imparts knowledge to others and occupies a vulnerable position in the society. According to the Islamic point of view, our Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, you all have three fathers. First one is he who begot you, and second one is your father's spouse, and third one is a teacher. But the best of these is one who teaches you. Teaching the noblest and professions, hence every teacher should be kind-hearted and punctual. यूं ही तो किसी ने कहा है, उस्ताद होना कोई आसान काम नहीं है. उस्ताद होना कोई आसान काम नहीं है. थके बगैर, रुके बगैर, ना उम्मीद होए बगैर, सिले की तमन्ना के बगैर, हर मौसम में, हर हालत में, चेहरे पर मुस्कान, दिल में मोहब्बत और लब पे दुआ, हाथों में इल्म का परचम लिए हुए, हौसले और जुर्रत के साथ चलने, मुसलसल चलने का नाम उस्ताद है. थैंक यू.